So in this video, you'll learn how to unarchive apps on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. So if you've previously archived apps on your phone and you want to go ahead and use them again, all you need to do is simply open Settings. And then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Apps. Under Apps, you want to locate the app that you've just archived. So you'll notice it's different from any of the other app icons simply because it will have this install button on top of the app icon. So you can see Apple Music is just regular, but Asphalt, which is an archived app, has this install button showing that it's been archived. So all you need to do is simply select it like that. Then once you've selected it, you'll see it says not installed. So in order for you to reinstall it so that you can unarchive this app, all you need to do is just select the option Restore. Now, once you've selected Restore, simply wait for Asphalt to be restored. And bear in mind that this will collect any of the data that you previously had on the game or on the app itself. So just wait patiently as everything is restored back to the way it was before. Again, if you have any other apps that you've previously archived, say for example Call of Duty, you can just tap on it and then select Restore. Alternatively, you can always just locate the app icon on your home screen or in the App Store, and then tap on this download option on top of it like that. Then confirm that you wish to restore the app. So tap on Restore and then simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. And so those are the two ways you can unarchive apps on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.